back to Cooking with the Boys.
Today we will be making ricotta lemon pancakes.
So what you're gonna need is 1.5 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 cup of ricotta cheese, 3 eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, teaspoon of lemon zest.
First, we're gonna separate the egg yolk from the egg. Now we're gonna whip the egg white. It's done when egg whites form stiff peaks.
In a bowl, mix all the dry ingredients. And whisk all the wet ingredients. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. Then mix. Grate lemon zest. Then mix. Now fold the egg white into the batter.
Now we're gonna cook the pancakes. First, heat the pan and add oil. Add 1/3 cup of batter. When bubble appears, flip it.
And sprinkle some powdered sugar over the pancakes.
Now it's ready. Let's eat.